Hello wherever you are and welcome to our today's class. We are going to discuss about introduction to journalism and writers. And as you well know that for you as to become a journalist, you must always be having adequate communication skills, or else you must be someone who is able to combine different aspects of communication for you to be able to communicate effectively. But today we are going to discuss about how media shape public opinion. As you well know that media communicate to masses depending on the channel you are using. Whether you're using radio, television or newspaper, you are likely to communicate to many people at the same time. And out of that, media plays a very important impact, or is very important role in dissemination of information to the members of the public. Now you'll find that media plays a very important role in shaping public opinions, or as people who have different views or different opinion. And number one, is what we call agenda setting. You're going to find that media always set the agenda of people, of what people are going to discuss in the following morning. For example, newspaper, whatever is going to appear in the newspaper, many people are going to talk about what has been communicated inside the newspaper or a print medium. Still in radio, you're going to find that many people in the chat are going to talk about what radio is talking about, what television is talking about, or is what the newspaper is communicating to their targeted audiences, which means media plays a very important role in shaping public opinions by coming up with agenda of the day. What the media is talking about today in the radio station, TV, or in newspaper, you're going to find that many people are going to talk about the same topic. Can be about BBI, can be about coronavirus, or is a COVID-19 pandemic, can be about corruption, can be about a loss of a specific or as influential person in the society. If someone happen to come up with a title or as a headline in the newspaper or as magazine or as in television or radio, many people are going to talk about the same agenda or the same event in the society. Still, media plays a role of a watchdog in the society. As a watchdog, if let's say for example someone is coming up with an information that is diverting the attention of the audience or the attention of the public at large, media is going to highlight such like information because it acts as a watchdog of what is happening in the government, or else let's say the government is coming up with a certain project and out of it has a hidden agenda, or else you have hidden information, or else a certain member of parliament or else MP or governor has engaged in any form of corruption. It's upon the media to expose this information to their targeted audiences. That's why we normally say that media plays a role of watchdog, because they can be able to access hidden or a secret information about the government events or government operations and be able to expose this information to their targeted audiences. Still, media plays a very important role as opinion leader. It always shapes about the people are going to perceive things, where the people are going to think about a specific matter in the society. And you're going to find that majority of people, they believe in what media is saying rather than what the government is saying or the police is saying, which means media plays a very important role in shaping the opinions of the members of the public. If a newspaper is coming with a different angle of a story, or as a TV channel is coming up with a different angle of a story, or a radio station is coming up with a specific angle of a story, you're going to find that most of the members of the public are going to believe in what the media is saying rather than to believe in what the government is saying or the police are saying about a specific topic matter or a specific subject matter. So media plays a very important role in shaping public opinion by shaping the opinion of the leaders. Whereas you can be a certain MP is coming up with a specific idea, a specific agenda, and media is covering this event, it is likely to impact or to influence most of the leaders or the people within that particular society. Still, media shape people's opinion through news, whereas the news item that disseminate to your targeted audiences, you are likely to be able to reach most of your target audience at many times or else in different localities, whereby out of the news you are disseminating to your targeted audiences, you are able to reach many people and divert the attention of many people within the society or else in the community. Still, media plays a very important role in formulation of different ideologies. People have different ideas or ideologies in the society or in the market. But now as a media practitioner, you need to come up with an ideology that is able to change the life of people positively. If you are communicating any information concerning a subject matter, make sure that your ideology is supported by fact, whereas you are having information that can be substantiated by fact or as accuracy. But if you are having any information that you are not sure about the factuality of the story, it is always advisable to be able to do more research about the subject matter before you disseminate your information to your targeted audiences. So media shapes people's ideas or else people's ideologies in the society or else in the market. And that's why you as a media practitioner need to be very keen if you are coming up with any idea or else any ideology that is likely to mislead the members of the public at large or else to mislead a specific group of people within the society. So ensure that your ideologies are okay, they are fact, and they can be substantiated by fact before you come up with any information that you are going to disseminate to your targeted audiences. So you're saying that media plays a very important role in shaping people's opinion or else public opinion. And number one, you talked about the agenda setting theory of the media, or a spiral of theory concerning mass communication. We talked about media as a watchdog in the society. We are saying that media can also shape the opinion of the leaders in the community, or else out of the news you are disseminated to your targeted audiences, you are able to reach mass audiences, and out of that you are likely to influence the life of so many people. Still, we are saying that the ideology that media come up with is likely to shape the mind of people either positively or negatively. And that's why you must always substantiate your stories with factuality, or the facts must always be accurate to avoid misleading the members of the public. Thank you for your time. Let's meet next time at the same place.